Hello kids, welcome to Study with Madhuri. In this video, we are going to learn about consonant blends. We will learn combination sound of two letters together. That is br. B and R are consonant letter. When they are put together, they make br sound. Br, br, br. Let's see the examples of br sound. Br as in brown, br as in broom, br, br, br. Let's see some more sound of br. Br as in brass, br as in bronze. Now let's see and hear the sound of cr. C and R. When they are together, they make sound cr, cr, cr. C and R also consonant letters, and when they put together, they sound cr, cr, cr. Cr as in crown, cr as in cry, cr as in crawl, cr as in crab. Let's see the next blending of letter F and R. When they put together, they sound fr, fr, fr. Let's see the example of fr words. Fr as in friend, fr as in frog, fr as in frame, fr as in frown, fr, fr, fr. So yes, this is all about consonant blends. In this video, we have learned consonant sound br, fr and cr. I hope you kids have understood this topic. If you like this video, then please click on the like button, share the video and most important, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.